Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a site hack with Sucuri, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the situation. Identify the signs of a hack. Check for unexpected changes on your site or unusual behavior. Next, log into your hosting account to secure access. Change passwords for your hosting account and any associated platforms. Next, download a complete backup of your website. This ensures you have a clean version to work from. Now, install the Sucuri security plugin on your website. Once installed, run a malware scan to check for issues. Review the scan results carefully. Identify any malicious files or modifications. If you find infected files, follow Sucuri's instructions to clean them. Consider restoring your site from an earlier backup if available. If your site shows severe damage, use Sucuri's website firewall. This can help prevent future attacks and provide ongoing protection. Next, take time to update all your software and plugins. Ensure that all themes and tools are running the latest versions. After securing your site, change all related passwords once more. This includes FTP, database, and any third-party services. Monitor your site continuously after making these changes. Check regularly for reinfections or unusual activity. Consider implementing a security plan with Sucuri. Regular backups and monitoring can enhance your site's resilience. Educate yourself on best practices to avoid future hacks. Stay informed about the latest security threats in the digital landscape. Finally, perform regular reviews of your security measures. Remain vigilant to keep your site safe and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.